Welcome to another episode. Today we will see about karma in our Gita's answers series. The questioner has asked, does karma revert to everyone? Means, is karma applicable to everyone? What is karma? Karma is cause and effect. To do an action, there is a result. That results become the cause for another. Like, you push an object, it moves away. You try to push the object, it moved away. Maybe that caused an imbalance and made something else to fall. So there is a cause effect. The effect becomes the cause for something else. So there is a cycle. This cause effect is a cycle. This continuous process, this cycle, how to escape it? If you don't escape, it becomes a habit, means it is reinforced. The cause effect, again which becomes a cause, this continuous cycle, it is reinforced in the memory and it becomes a habit. So one can never escape that. So there is one way to move out of this cause effect cycle, that is to work without attachment, because the whole thing resides on the ego, I sense, the center from which it is built. The I wants to prove something. I wants to strengthen itself, the ego. So all actions, normally, all our actions are for that, or based on that at least. And so, the action result cycle, the cause effect cycle, ultimately strengthens the I. And it becomes a habit, and it becomes unbreakable. No escape from that. All this is based on the ego, the I sense. So the way to escape this is not being attached to the results, not being attached to anything. Once you are not bothered about the result, once you are not attached to the result, then it does not build up on the ego. It does not continue with the cause effect cycle. It escapes from that. So only way to escape this karma, the cause effect cycle, is to be not attached to the results. Do your action. It is not that you wish for failure. You plan for success. But don't make that success go into your mind. Don't be attached to that success. Or don't be dejected if it is failure. Just replan it. Reevaluate your action. That's all. Don't allow it to build up on your ego. If you allow it, then the cause effect is strengthened and it continues. So we will see two verses to this in relation to this. from Bhagavad Gita. That is chapter 3, verse 7. I won't read the Sanskrit part. The English translation says, "But O Arjuna, one who engages in karma yoga with organs of action, controlling organs with the mind, and becoming unattached, that one excels." So carry out your work. This comes in the chapter of Karma Yoga. But then don't carry it over to the mind. Become unattached. Then you excel. That's what Bhagavan Krishna says. Next is chapter 3, verse 8. The translation is, you perform the obligatory duties, because once you are born, you cannot avoid duties. You have to carry on to sustain your body and to live in the world in relationship with others, because living is in relationship with others. So duties are always there. You can't, no one can escape it. So you perform the obligatory duties, for action is superior to inaction. As long as one is alive, there is some kind of action, at least to maintain the body. And through inaction, even in maintenance of your body, is not possible. So you will have to perform. Only thing is, you will have to remain unattached. That's what Bhagavad Gita says. So to escape the cycle of karma, one has to carry out the duty, but without attachment. So with this, we'll end this episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.